Hello. Today I am teaching you exercise 6.3, fourth problem and fifth problem. That is in progressions. So the fourth problem is the first and last terms of AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If their common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So what is given is the first and last terms of AP, okay, and what is given is common difference also, and you have to find out how many terms are there, that is n should be found out, and their sum also, sum of the n terms. So what is the data given is the first term, this is fourth problem, first term of AP is equal to 17. That is, first term is A. That is 17. First term is A only. Second term will be A plus D. So, and last term, first and last term. Last term is of AP is 350. So what is this? This is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The last term is that. You know A. So you can find out n minus 1 into D. Common difference also is given. D common difference is equal to 9. Common difference is 9. So, now you can substitute A here. 17 plus n minus 1 into D is 9 is equal to 350. Okay. So, n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 minus 17, that is 333. So, n minus 1 will be equal to 333 by 9. That is equal to 37. N is equal to 37 plus 1, 38. Okay. So you found out what is n, number of terms we found out. Do you understand? The first term is given as 17, last term of AP is given as 350. That will be always equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Common difference is 9. So you substituted 17 and 9 instead of A and D, and you found out n minus 1. Then you found out n, that is number of terms. And he asked us to find out Sn also. Sn is equal to n by 2 into, you can use here A plus L. Formula you can change, and n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D you can write, but first and last terms are clearly given here. So this is, n is, this is equal to 38 by 2 into A is 17. And last term is 350. That is equal to 19 into 350. First and 350 plus 17, 367. 367 into 19. 63, 54, 60. 27, 33, 367, that is 379, 69, 6973. Again, see, n is 38 you got now. Sn formula you can write n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Since you know first and last terms, you can directly write A and L. So 38 by 2, 17 plus 350, 367 into 9, that is 19, that is 36973. This is 367, that is equal to 6973. So these are the two solutions he asked, the n value and Sn value. Do you understand? This is fourth problem solution. So clearly understand what is given. Given is first term, last term, common difference. He asked us to find out n and Sn. Is it clear? Now, next to fifth problem. Find the sum of 51 terms of AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. What is given? Given is fifth problem. Second term and third term are given. Second term of AP is equal to, second term is A plus D is equal to 14, and third term, second and third term is AP is A plus 2D, that is 18. So now this is first equation, second equation. So A plus 2D is equal to 18, A plus D is equal to 14. Now by subtraction, D is equal to 4. Now you got D value, D is 4. And he asked us to find out, find the sum of 51 terms. So S51, you should know A also here. By substituting D in first equation, this is first equation, second equation. By substituting D in equation 1, A plus 4 is equal to 14. Therefore, A is equal to 14 minus 4, 10. A you got 10. And he asked us to find out sum of first n terms. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. That is equal to 51 by 2. He gave n is n of 51 terms sum he asked us to find out. 2 into 10 plus n minus 1. 51 minus 1. 50 into D we found out 4. So that is 51 by 2 into 20 plus 4 into 50, 200. That is 51 by 2 into 220 by 2. 220 already 2 is. That is 110. 110 into 51. 110, 5, 5, 5. This is 0. 0, 1, 6, 5, 6, 1, 0. 5, 6, 1, 0. This is Sn. 5, 6, 1, 0. So these are the two problems I wanted to teach today in this session. What is given is the second term is given, A plus D is 14. Third term is given, AP is A plus 2D is 18. By solving these two equations, we got D is 4. By substituting D, you got A is 10. Then you have to find out Sn, first n term sum. So Sn is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. 51 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus 50 into 4. So you got 5610. 5610 is the sum of the terms. So with this 2 problems I completed. Practice bit by bit. 2 problems are enough. First practice them. In the next section I will teach you 4th and 5th are over. 6th and 7th I will teach you. Okay.